Sharnee here. So my husband Luke and our 2 kids, Micah and Tia-Māia, and myself, and our new puppy, Poppy, man that's a tongue twister, we just went on our first overnight sailing trip on a new boat called Ondine. Okay, that was a lot of words. But anyway, I thought I would do a bit of a vlog about our adventures, and we had such a good time. There were definitely times where it was a bit tricky and hard with the kids, but overall we had a great time. But before you continue, make sure you click that subscribe button because I'll definitely have some more videos like this to come. Yay. Morena! What are we doing today, Tia-Māia? We are going on a family sailing trip. Woo! But first we have to get up. Yay! We're on our way, Micah. You excited? Woohoo! You excited, babe?
Very much so.
You ready to go, Micah? Yeah, look at our hats. Okay, here, our papa, Micah. So Dad is bringing all the gear to the boat, and we're gonna go for a wee hikoi. Let's go. Woohoo! Beautiful. You see Daddy, Micah? Daddy coming on the dinghy. Bye, beaches. Micah, you say hi? Coffee. Play with some husband. And we are off to the boat. Okay, so I'm going to give you a bit of a tour of our Ondine, that's her name. Just chilling out here watching TV while we set up. So this is Micah's bedroom down there, and we've got a bit of storage. And same in here, there's Tia-Māia, her bed there. This is where we're going to sleep, me and Luke. And we've got some storage and stuff in there, and also and it's very windy out here, but whoa, yeah, so windy. Poppy's out here somewhere as well. Poppy, this is our lunch. Oh yeah, you ready for Kai? Say hi to the camera. Okay, say good night. He's a little bit scared of his new bed, but we're going to read a cool book. Yeah, cool book, eh? And then we're going to go to bed. Is Tia-Māia in her bed?
You doing a jolly jumper? You got it tied up there. Hey. You're swaying around like an old seagull.
Why? Is it cold? He said it's cool, which means it's freezing, right? Wow! Is it Mummy's turn? Ah, serious? I can't go let people see me in these tops.
Mummy's in the water!
It's freezing!
It's not
So this wee fella went for a wee swim, eh, Micah? Was it cold? He actually fell in, but good thing he was wearing this bad boy. And you were so brave. You barely cried. Hey. Go get her! Ah, it's been so nice just going for a stroll. Whoa, oh, there's the little Jack Russell.
Hey.
Be nice. Okay, here's the Ondine. There she is. Apparently our boat's a she, but you know.
The wind's died down.
Yeah, the wind's died down and we're just going for a nice stroll. It was too windy to leave, so we're just heading to Corsia Bay for a nice hikoi. Micah's loving it. Oh, kia tupatois.
Yeah, I know, right?
He's so gutsy.
Kia tupato!
Wow. Wow!
Micah! Up high? Having a cracker of a time? Cracker. Well done, Dale. Did Mummy jump off? That was pretty cool, eh?
So we are sailing. Woohoo! We're gonna go find our anchorage and make some kai, and then the kids are gonna go to bed. Kids are getting tired, so they're just watching some more TV. Ah, beautiful! The wind is perfect. So over here is George, and it's pretty awesome. It's our autopilot steerer. So sometimes when the kids are both screaming or something, me and Luke could leave the boat and George will steer us. It's pretty fascinating how it works. And Micah, kapai? Good vibes down here, you know, come down fams if you have a boat, and if you don't, all good too, you can still come down, and it's a great place to swim, heaps of bays. We were just at Corsia Bay, and there was another small bay, and then Magazine Bay. Yeah, so it's a beautiful spot at Littleton, great for summer. These guys are nice and safe. I know, Micah's getting tired, but we're just going to find an anchor. 6:30, half an hour till bedtime. Hey. So I've been cooking, and we're going to do some vegetarian nachos. So tomatoes, chili beans, other beans. It's going to be yummy, eh? Cheese and sour cream. Micah's kai.
Micah, look, you got kai.
Now make sure Poppy doesn't get it. One for my husband.
Yay.
Kai, bless it to our bodies. Amen. Yeah.
Can't believe you just filmed out here.
Yeah, I know, I'm that person. Poppy. Tia-Māia's just woken up. Uh-oh. Anyway, we're gonna get the kids to sleep, and this is us for the night. Yeah, cow. This is where we're staying. So, very beautiful. Good night, Poppy. You say good night to everyone. He said good night, cow. He's in his sleeping bag, his pink sleeping sack. And now we're gonna go to sleep. Oh, look in his nose. Better wash your face too. Bye-bye. No, cow. Hey, babe. What you doing?
Being filmed.
It's 7 a.m. here. Calm as anything. It's beautiful. They're heading out to the beach to let Poppy go the wharepaku. Say bye-bye, Micah. Bye. Good morning. Hey, sleepyhead. Ready to get out? Come on. Doesn't that look good? Yum, 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 yum. Oh, glory be. I think the sun's about to pop. Thank you, Jesus. Ahoy, sailors. Woohoo. You ready for some kai? Breakfast time. Hallelujah. Just started the motor. Because the wind's kind of completely died down. So we're heading off to what island?
Gonna go to Port Levy.
Port Levy. You gonna go swimming today, Micah? Swimming? In the water. What about you, Tia-Māia? We're sailing. Micah, are we sailing? Yeah, we're going pretty fast. How many knots do you think, babe?
4 knots.
4 knots. Not bad. Not bad. Sorry, I'm not in there. Bobby, don't bite the road. Try not to fall in, try not to fall in. Is this thing stable? Beautiful! Kapai? So the wind's died down again, so we've just got the motor on and yeah. But we are sailing with the motor on. That makes sense.
Come on, jump. Send it.
Good girl, Poppy. Hey, Tia-Māia. This is pretty, isn't it? It's hot. Feels like it's going to be a hot day. See that it's going to be 25 degrees. It already feels 25 degrees. I've already gone for a swim. It's been great. So this is Little Port Cooper. That's a schoolhouse there, and people used to come in here to get supplies if they didn't want to head into Littleton or something like that. I don't know what Luke just said.
But you can now book it out as like an accommodation.
What?
So book a batch or something, I think.
Book a batch?
Yeah, I know.
Sheesh.
So yeah, people can stay there.
Well, it's got a pretty cool island with it. No neighbours. Just some sheep and sheep poo. So swing, Micah. You wanna go on the swing? Come on. No? Who needs nappies, eh, Micah? No nappy. So we are attempting to walk up this hill. We don't have a baby front pack, and we've got this little boy, this little rascal, walking as well. So it's gonna be fun. Let's do this. Oh, wowee, this is really tiring, eh, Tia-Māia? Woo! Okay. You know, we could still turn back. Poppy's hot?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that view though. Seeing how far we've got to go. So you might have to see our boat right there. That's Ondine. Tia-Māia's moving the camera. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna go get some water.
Micah, look, is Poppy swimming? Hey.
it is so beautiful out here. The kids are sleeping. Micah has been super grumpy, so I guess it's because he's not used to sleeping on the boat, and yeah, he went to sleep 2 hours later than he normally would, and it took him forever to get to sleep. He was screaming, a lot of drama. Then he woke up an hour later, same thing, screaming. Then Tia-Māia woke up. Anyway, so we put them down a little bit early, and now I'm just chilling out here. Luke's top because it's flipping hot and I'm getting burnt. So Luke's cleaning the boat. He's got his flippers and goggles on and just scrubbing it. I'll see if I can see him. He's scrubbing the boat, so not a job I would like to be doing. FYI fans, I normally wouldn't wear these hideously pink togs that reveal way too much, but you know, I got given a bunch of clothes and these were in them, and I have no togs, so these will have to do for now. But the awesome thing about being on a boat is that, like, there's no one around. The great thing about having a boat is you can go places where people with cars or on foot, you know, it's quite hard to get to, or impossible without a boat. So yeah, it's really nice just being out here. Loving it. So Micah's been asleep for 2 hours now, and Luke's just put up the sails. There's not much wind, so hopefully we can get out of here. Bye. Namu namu wa?
Yum yum ya.
Yum Tia-Māia.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Are you going to record the fact that we found it on the table and gave it to her?
We asked. It was okay. It was cut with a knife, so. Is that yum?
Yum.
Shaka brah.
Do a backflip, G. Woo! Shaka brah.
Kia ora koutou, ngā mihi nui. Mō tō mātakitaki, tēnei video.
Just thanks for watching, and make sure you click that subscribe button. We are heading home and the kids are in there. Tia-Māia's asleep and Micah's just chilling out. So enjoy the rest of this video of a time lapse making it home. Autopilot, eh? Good work, babe. Steady sailor makes a good sailor. Hashtag Sharnee's tip of the day. Don't fall in. We made it back to our mooring successfully.